After a long day of work, I always make sure to cleanse my face. First step, a makeup remover. This one's by Sisley. It basically removes the first layer of makeup. Dermalogica Daily Resurfacer. I use this maybe 2 or 3 times a week. After cleansing, I use my Equal Beauty Super Mist for toning. Next up, I'm using 2 products by Ultraceuticals. Hydrating Serum. And don't forget your neck. Next up, eye cream. One of the biggest preventatives for wrinkles and moisturiser. This one is by Sisley Paris. I find it perfect for the warmer seasons. It doesn't feel too heavy on the skin. Elizabeth Arden City Smart. You can wear under makeup. It has antioxidants as well, so you know that it's actually doing good to your skin. Last but not least is the La Mer body cream. I like applying this after a long haul flight. It locks in all your moisture and it smells really good.